Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out this Hernest coffee table. I'll be doing an assembly video here too. So, let's just open it up here. We got some styrofoam here on top. Okay friends, so here it is. Looks pretty nice. It's actually really sturdy. The metal is going to hold up really well. And this is about a 1/4 inch piece of, I'm not exactly sure if that's marble, some kind of a stone there. I think it looks really pretty though. It's a nice touch to the living room here. And I like the little leaf designs on the side as well. I think it looks pretty good. So thanks so much for watching this unboxing and assembly, my friends. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.